Assalamu alaikum. Hello. Say Shayan. Hello. Yes, my dear friends, I am with my son Shayan Ali. Now, today I want to share one thing regarding the social media, regarding the disinformation, fake news. I am very sorry to say that today we are living in 21st century where the information comes to us in abundance. But the information is correct or not correct, that is a big issue. It is a game of the disinformation. It's a war of disinformation and fake news. So I would suggest you all that whenever you listen, whenever you go through any kind of the news, any kind of the information, kindly do not share with anybody until unless you are not confirmed. Because when you share, it means you are sharing the fake news. You are sharing the disinformation, which is not good for you. So nowadays, the countries are involved in fake news. Countries are involved in disinformation. So we should not be the part of it. Whatever the information you want to share, the knowledge you share, the news you want to share, before you share, better to confirm it, because maybe there could be many your followers. They will watch what you share, they listen what you share, so they will be misled. Tomorrow if any one of them say that you are just only sharing the disinformation or the fake news, you will feel ashamed of yourself. So better we should not share anything. Whatever you watch on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, we must not share before we are not confirmed, because